Good morning. We're looking out onto I-94 and University there in Fargo, and we've got just some wet conditions here in the FM area. No snow to talk about right now. That's a little farther north where we've been getting some accumulations in some spots. In the south, in places like Fargo, we've kind of been stuck more with the rainy conditions here today, depending on how you look at things. I know some people were excited about the snow. So we're seeing that snow still coming down. This is Grand Forks, a DOT cam there, and we've still got some snow coming down. One other thing I want to point out is the road surface, at least this is I-29, is just looking wet at this point, but don't trust that. Temperatures are right around freezing there, so bridge decks especially are going to be slick here this morning. And then you can see that there is some white showing up on the grassy surface there. So we're looking at some areas where the snow has accumulated in Grand Forks. Now we want to share a viewer photo. This is in Brockett in Ramsey County, just to the northeast of Devil's Lake. A couple of different pictures that Denise sent us, and you can see we're looking at a couple of inches of snow perhaps down on the ground there. And if you've got some photos to share, head to our website, valleynewslive.com. You can upload those right there, and we'll be sharing them throughout the morning. Just head to our photo gallery, and there's a link to upload our photo. So again, snow was coming down early this morning when Denise sent us that photo. We're still looking at some snow here in Grand Forks and up into northwest Minnesota, even into parts of Cass County. You might be seeing a couple of snowflakes on the backside, the cold side of this system. Fargo, some sprinkles at this point in time. And this is gradually moving eastward. You can see the heavier stuff is now east of us at this point. Zooming in a little bit more, you can see Fargo just getting some sprinkles to some light rain, but just to the northwest, maybe up toward the Hillsborough area, back down along Highway 18 there. The Arthur area might be getting some snowflakes flying around there. Grand Forks right in the thick of it there, and then back over toward New Folden and Thief River Falls. This is heading your way, so you'll see more of that snow heading toward you coming up here this morning. So some snow showers still ongoing in the valley, and there's more moisture out to the west that will be likely impacting us later today. Visibility, of course, as you would expect, lower where we're getting some snow and some rain. We're seeing visibility reports down to that 2 to 3 mile range at the lowest, and we've got some temperatures that are into the 30s, low 30s up north and over to the east, so right around freezing there. That's where we may see some snow. Fargo at 36 degrees right now, so not as chilly for us, and that's where we're seeing more rain. Wind is out of the east up to 18 miles per hour down in Fergus Falls. And checking out your hour-by-hour planner, we're looking at some, again, rain and some snow here this morning and heading into the afternoon. Rain showers still ongoing. This is that next round. This is 3 o'clock. And you can see our temperatures are warmer at this point. We're going to be more into the 40s. Though can't rule out some snow up in the northwest. We'll mainly see this switch over to rain later today simply because our temperatures will go up. Heading into the nighttime hours tonight, as those temperatures slide, some of this may switch back over to snow briefly before it moves out completely. And we're looking at a quieter start to the day tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow morning right around freezing to some mid-30s to start off your Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. And taking a look at your snowfall potential, this is on top of what we've seen. So not much expected here. And in this blue area, we're looking at less than an inch of snow up in the northern valley. But we do have that winter weather advisory in effect until noon today. Devil's Lake down toward Jamestown, areas where we've picked up some snow there. That's where it's going to be a little bit more hazardous to travel here this morning. And that stretches westward toward Minot and Bismarck as well. So here's a look at that 7-day planner. Just kind of a wet, slushy mess here today. We're still looking at snow this morning affecting your drive in some areas. Most of this melting on the road surfaces because those tend to be warmer this time of year. But just be aware there might be some spots where we're looking at some slick conditions. Heading into the weekend, Saturday dry, a nice break with Sunday most of the day, at least the morning hours, looking dry until the next system moves in late Sunday and continuing into Monday and Tuesday. Highs still well below average into the 40s to 50s throughout the week.
Yeah, that's not nice fall weather.
No, and we'd like, a nice 50 to 60 degree range can be really, really great, but we just can't seem to do it right now.
Thank you, Lisa. If you're looking to have some family fun this weekend, you may want to check out the Buffalo River Pumpkin Patch. We'll tell you all about the activities you can check out there just ahead.